Welcome, dear friends. So, my name is Sunil Chaudhary. I am digital coach, success mindset coach, one of the best SEO coaches. In this video, I'm going to show you the most important settings in systemy.io, right? So, let's go ahead. Before going ahead, I would like to mention that if you want complete digital success, you can go to careerbuildingschool.com, click on courses. You can start with Sankalp or Tejasvi. I recommend you start with Tejasvi. Then you can upgrade to CBS Sudarshan, then Paramhans, depending on your requirement. So if you want to learn everything, then CBS Tejasvi. If you want to do everything with me, that is CBS Sudarshan. And if you want to get top level support 101 done for you services, then CBS Paramhans. In this video, we're going to talk about the most important settings in systemy.io. So you have set up your systemy.io, you have set up your blogs, but inside blogs, when you open your website, there are most important settings. Most. So SEO is there, blog is there, layout is there, post layout is there, that is fine. But there is one setting, if you don't take care of that, everything is going to be waste. So I don't want that to go waste. So click on settings here in blog layout, scroll down, and there is this box called hide from search engines. This should not be ticked. It should be unticked. Okay, then click save. So this is one setting in blog layout. Then you have post layout. In post layout, we don't have settings option. Exit the page, then go to the pages. Click on home page, click on settings, scroll down, make sure the box is unchecked. Exit the page and follow this for all the pages. For all the pages, this box should be unchecked. Okay, for all the pages. So this is a one-time setup. You don't have to do it again and again. This is one time. So after some time, Systemy will learn that this box should be unchecked. Okay. But in starting, you have to do it. In categories, we don't have this kind of setting. Okay. Categories are fine, but then go to posts. So you may have written some posts. It is a good idea. Click on the post, click on settings, and make sure this box is unchecked. Again, I'm telling you, for some posts you will do, and then in future, it will already be unchecked. But whenever you are doing SEO, make sure it is unchecked. It's a good idea. If it is checked, it means that you are hiding the information, hiding your website, hiding your blog post from search engines. And if you are hiding your information, your marketing efforts, then it is going to be waste, right? So do this setting in your website. Take some 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take much time, right? So this is one of the most important settings when you are trying to get started with your blogging, with marketing and everything. But yes, some pages we hide. Let's go to sites, click on sales funnel. So this is the sales funnel. Okay. So the home page, obviously we want in search engines to find this page. So this is the uh, landing page. We want this page to be found on the internet. So remove this. This is important. Click on save. So it was hidden. Now exit page, go to the thank you page. So thank you page is something we don't want the internet to find this page. So thank you page should be hidden. So keep it checked. That is the difference. I am repeating. The landing page should be available to search engines. The thank you page you should hide from search engines. Okay. Now like this. And if you are creating any other additional page, you can also hide that from search engines because that is important for you. You want to give some exclusive information or resources to your community or students. So only the landing page should be visible. And when the landing page is visible, copy this URL and go to Google Search Console. Google Search Console. Okay. Log in here in Google Search Console. Start now. Do all the login and everything. Then here on the left side top, if your domain is not there, you can click on add property, add your domain. But if your domain is already there, type your domain here. This is how you will get the domain. And here, once your domain is selected, the URL we copied from here, take it and paste it here. So it is very important in starting that whatever page, important page we are creating should be submitted to Google. And how to submit to Google? With the help of Search Console. This is the method to tell Google that we have this page, we have this landing page, we have this blog page. So always submit the important pages to Google Search Console. And how to add your domain into Google Search Console? Again, I would like to tell you that go to Career Building School and under your courses, you will find the search option here. And here you type Search Console and you will get the lesson. Okay. This is my admin section. You will get student section. If you type Search Console, you will get the lesson how to add. Otherwise, I have told you it will give you a DNS record and you can easily add. Okay. So these two settings. One is uncheck the hide from search engines option. Other is these thank you pages you have to hide. Next is taking this URL, submitting to Google Search Console. This is very important. And now go to settings. Take some time in your system. Click on account. Make sure these things are properly updated as per your time zone. Then payment gateways. If you want to configure PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, you can do this here. Take your time, do it. Then emails. In emails, verify your domain, add your email here. Then some other settings are there, courses. Um, you can disable downloading of audio and video from course pages, payment settings. These are some international payment settings. So take some time, update them. Sales funnel, if you want to put some tracking code in sales funnels, you can put here tracking code. Okay. So you can click on this question mark, the code that is inserted between the head elements. So that code you can put here. Shipping settings, if you are shipping some physical product, you can use this part. Then affiliate program, your students can promote your courses and you can pay them 30, 40 commission, whatever percent of commission you want to pay. Then go to custom domains. Add your custom domain here. I have added multiple custom domains. You can add your custom domain here. So when you are adding your custom domain here, once your domain is added, this is another step. Go to these three dots, or we can call it meatball icon. You can click on edit homepage. I'm clicking on edit homepage right now. The homepage opens in pages. Okay, let's go back to the settings. Come down to custom domain. Click on three dots settings. Here you can create your login page. You can create your 404 page. You can add your fab icon. You can add your email address for form submissions, email address for contact us, form submissions. Here you can configure your reCAPTCHA. Here you can put your Facebook conversion API. Here you can add your logo. These are one-time settings, but your website looks good. So do these settings in custom domains. Okay, click on save. So go to the domain, click on three dots, click on settings, do all these settings. So you can see that I have left empty reCAPTCHA and Facebook conversion API. It means these are not very necessary, but if you do this reCAPTCHA, it is not very tough. Let me show you how to do that. reCAPTCHA. So when you search reCAPTCHA in Google, it opens, then you click on reCAPTCHA. Then you click on Get Started. Here, here you can click on, I mean, there are multiples. So 1 minute, Get Started. Here you can register your new website. That is, my website is www.tandavcoach.com. Score based reCAPTCHA, challenge based reCAPTCHA, whatever you, okay. So here you can type your domain, tandavcoach.com, and here Google Cloud platform is there. So I have already added few. So Tandav Coach, submit. So this is site key, this is secret key. So copy the site key, go to system E, site key, and you got the secret key, copy, and put the secret key and save. So your reCAPTCHA is done. This is so easy. Am I right? Awesome. So 10,000 assessments per month at no cost. Obviously, Google is giving us so many things. So allow this key to work with AMP pages and alerts to owners. Click on save and done. Okay. So we have 6 websites it is showing. Now go to system. So you see that it was not tough. So whatever we are doing for the first time, it can it seemed tough, but it is easy once it is done. All right. So for the settings now, notifications. So my communities and courses notify me about my comments on my courses, email, in-app. Notify me about my new pending community posts, email, in-app. Notify me about these. So these are other courses. Send me email when I have made a sale as a vendor. Send me an email when I have made a sale as an affiliate. So this is how you can turn on these settings for notifications. Then here you can add subscription workspace member. So you can see I have added 2 people in my workspace as admins. If you want to invite anyone else, click on invite, type their email ID and submit. The person will become a member. Then you can make the member admin. For example, let me show you Sunil at justbazaar.com. You invite this person. So when you invite this person is assistant, but again click on edit role, make this person admin, click on save. So this is how you make someone admin. You give access, but you will always be the owner. So don't worry about that. Okay, here you can change your password, new password, confirm password. So these are few important settings in your systemy.io platform. My dear friends, this is one of the best, robust platforms for online success. Use it fully, have faith in your abilities, and keep making progress. If you have any questions related to digital success, SEO, funnel building, digital coaching business, feel free to contact me. You can start with my CBS Tejasvi. And if you want to do with me complete implementation, I recommend you join immediately CBS Sudarshan. That is all. See you.